Introduction. Ramesh has 6 marbles with him. Friends, he wants to arrange these marbles in different ways. Number 1. One way is that each row has same number of marbles. So, we get 1 marble in each row. Can you tell me about the number of rows then? Yes, it would be 6. So total number of marbles would be 1 into 6, that is 6. Number 2. 2 marbles in each row. So the number of rows would be 3. So the total number of marbles would be 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. Number 3. 3 marbles in each row. So the number of rows would be 2. And the total number of marbles is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. Number 4. He could not think of any arrangement in which each row has 4 marbles or 5 marbles, because that is not possible. So the only possible arrangement left was with all the 6 marbles in a row. So the number of row would be 1. And total number of marbles is 6 into 1 is equal to 6. From these, we observe that 6 can be written as a product of two numbers in different ways, as 6 is equal to 1 into 6, 6 is equal to 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 3 into 2, 6 is equal to 6 into 1. Thus, 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the exact divisors of 6. They are called the factors of 6. Multiples. A number is a multiple of each of its factors. For example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. are multiples of 3. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on are the multiples of 4, and similarly 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on are the multiples of 7. I'm sure you've understood. Let's move ahead.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें.
Factors and multiples. From the previous discussion, let us see what we conclude about the factors and multiples. Number 1. Now, of course, you know that 1 is a number which occurs as a factor of every number. For example, 6 is equal to 1 into 6, 18 is equal to 1 into 18 and so on. So, we say 1 is the factor of every number. Number 2. Every number is a factor of itself. For example, 7 is equal to 7 into 1, 10 is equal to 10 into 1, 15 is equal to 15 into 1. Number 3. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Again, I'll give you an example. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. We see that 16 is divisible by all its factors. Number 4. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. For example, factors of 34 are 1, 2, 17 and 34. Here, every factor is less than or equal to 34. Number 5. Number of factors of a given number is finite. For example, factors of 76 are 1, 2, 4, 19, 38, 76. Now it has 6 factors. Even if the numbers are large like 12,245, 25,423, etc., still you can count the number of factors. Number 6. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. For example, multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. Each of these multiples are greater than or equal to 7. Number 7. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Now that is the difference between factors and multiples, right? Example, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Here, the list is unending, so the numbers of multiples are infinite. Every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 7 is equal to 7 into 1. Therefore, 7 is a multiple of itself. Perfect number. A number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. For example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Also, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is 12, which is 2 into 6. Therefore, 6 is a perfect number.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।